Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs. We have a 2014 Audi Q7 Premium Plus, one owner with 36,000 original miles. Really nice car, very well kept. Do a quick walk around of this car here. 3.0 supercharged V6, third row, leather, front and rear camera, navigation, heated seats. Blind spot alert, very nice car. We'll go ahead here in the front bumper cover. You have a little scuff right there. But besides that, you can see she's really clean. Check out the interior. Big panel roof with the rear roof as well. Third row. See, really nice light colored leather, good for the heat. 36,432 miles. Go ahead and give her a start up. Just serviced it. If this is something you might be interested in, give us a shout. 228-438-2056. You can text us too. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you have an Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, that's what we specialize in. But we also work on some other foreign and domestic vehicles. Give us a holler.